NCRB, National Crime Record Bureau, recently released a report in which it released the data of the crimes reported in 2024. So, as per the report, the total number of cases decreased as compared to 2023, but there is an increase of 17% in the cyber crimes. If we see, there are total of 1 lakh cyber crimes reported in 2024, but in 2023 it was 86,000 around. If we see the data, so there is an increase of 17% in the cyber crimes reported. Out of them, 72% are related to fraud, 2.5% are related to extortion, around 3,190. That means 3.1% of these cyber crimes are related to the sexual exploitation. Now, the second thing is related to the suicide cases. There were total of 1,70,746 suicide cases reported in 2024. Out of them, at the top were the daily wage earners, 31.1% daily wage workers out of the total of 1,70,000. Then housewives, 13% housewives, 10.5% self-employed, then 9.9% salaried, unemployed 8.7%, 8.5% students, and there were total of 10,546 people who were in farming sector then suicide in 2024. Now, going ahead, if we see the overall trend, so Delhi were at the top in all the cases of crime reported in all over the India. If we compare the Delhi with the other metropolitan city, it is at the top. There were total of 13,396 cases against the crime against the woman reported in Delhi. In 2023, it was 13,336. So this time it's increasing. Again, that Delhi is also at the top in rape cases reported. Total of 1,058 cases reported of crime of rape in Delhi. There were total of 109 cases of dowry deaths reported in Delhi. Total of 4 female feticide cases also reported in Delhi. Cases against the juvenile cases, and also the crime against the children, also maximum into the Delhi. So this was the trend of the case and the data related to the NCRB. I hope this will help you.